Hey guys, today we're just going to talk about what I like to call the cold weather module, and it is just a group of clothes, cold weather clothes that I put in a Sea-Line Baja, I think 20-liter waterproof bag, and then I just throw it in my pack whenever the weather gets bad. It consists of Army surplus wool glove liners, minus 33. Let's see. Get that. Minus 33. That's the brand. Fingerless wool gloves. They're very exceptional. And then I've got Army surplus or Navy surplus wool watch caps. I think I get like 3 for 15 bucks. They're super handy. And then I've got a Smart Wool merino wool beanie, which is also super nice. The surplus watch caps are going to be itchy. The beanie, Smart Wool beanie, will not be itchy. And then I've got a Smart Wool baklava. This is extremely handy. It is merino wool again. I think most of this is merino wool, but it's really good to have a good sturdy wool baklava. And then we've got super heavy duty mittens. They are called Varning Varma Vantar. Now we'll see if you can see that. It's a Swedish brand, I believe. Or maybe that's just a glove name, but it's some sort of Swedish thing I got gifted years ago. But they're extremely good gloves. You can put your glove liners on and then these on, and it'll get you through as cold as you're going to see in a temperate environment. And then I've also got neoprene. I think they're supposed to be some sort of like diving sock or something. But what I do is I put on a wool sock and then put this over it. Instead of having winter specific boots, I just put on what I'd normally wear in the summer, but with a neoprene sock in between my wool sock and the boot. And it keeps me from getting wet, which when you're trudging through the snow tends to happen. And then I've got 2 wool long sleeve shirts, and these are more for casual wear whenever it's chilly but not quite cold enough for everything else. These are just ones that I sewed myself. They're merino wool from New Zealand, and they work really well. If you had some sort of Smart Wool in a medium weight, it would be a good replacement for these. And then I've got 2 more pieces of minus 33 undergarments. I have this, you can see the brand right there, minus 33. I've got these long johns, and they're also obviously merino wool. So I've got long johns, and then I've got I think this is a 3/4 zip. It's inside out. Yeah, it's a 3/4 zip top. And I'll wear this underneath one of these long sleeve shirts with the long johns, and then my little wool socks and my booties, and then some form of gloves, usually in the winter. And this works really well for me. I think I've used this setup down to like maybe 0 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're going sub-zero, you're probably gonna want to add some more layers. But this is the cold weather module that I use during the winter in the temperate regions of the United States. Also, I really like to have a supply of toe warmers, either toe warmers or hot hands, in my cold weather module, because I think a year or 2 ago I thought I was going to get frostbite and die because I did not have hand warmers, and it sucked.